Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let me show you how to make these rice paper dumplings. Rice papers are easily available in the market now. You can buy them and make these delicious rice paper rolls with veggies or chicken. So first let's make some filling for this dumplings. So into a pan add some oil, saute some garlic. Add the veggies like carrots, cabbage, capsicum. Into that add the sauces like tomato sauce, chili sauce, soy sauce, and some vinegar. Mix everything really well. Finally, I'm adding some cottage cheese, also called as paneer. Instead of paneer, you can add some cooked chicken. Saute everything really well. Now the filling is ready. Turn off the flame and keep it aside. Now let's see how to prepare the rice papers to make the dumplings. So take each paper, dip them in water for some time. Once it becomes soft and pliable, place them on a wooden board, add the filling and roll it from all the sides. Just to secure it properly, I'm covering it with one more rice paper. As you can see, the paper is a bit sticky. You can always dip your fingers in water to fold it. Now the dumpling is ready. You can make all the dumplings in the same way and then shallow fry it till it turns slightly crispy on the outside. And that's it. Very easy to make. Our tasty rice paper dumplings are ready. You can serve it with some soy sauce and enjoy. So do try out this recipe. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.